Hi everyone, hope you guys feeling fine and welcome back to the video. And in this video, I'll try to show you some component library or resources you can say to make your website way better than the AI sloppy website we have or seen nowadays. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the video. And the first one will be .message. And if I go to the website, so it basically loader component library, or you can say packages of loader dot matrix loader, and it has a set list, so you can copy and paste. And if I click on these to see how it's working, so this is the demo uses, this is the example uses. It has the props. You can use your own size, dot size. Okay, so you can edit it, and the wonderful part of it, it has a playground. So if you click on these, you can now play with this. Okay, so maybe I will increase the size, definitely increase the dotted size as well. Perfect. Color, I will change the color. It will be blue. The pattern, diamond. Oh, I can change the pattern, cross, row. Okay, wings. These are rows. Okay. It doesn't look like rows, but yeah, it's rows. And then if I turn off the animation, this is how it looks. Turn on it. Click over, I can see the animations working. So you can play with it and you can use it in your website. But this kind of dot loader is mostly used in terminal UI. So you can use it in your website as well. So let's move into the second one. The second one will be float functionalism. Okay. So this one. So it basically the shadcn component with their float animation. So if you can see when I click on there, how this is animating. I will show this little bit. One. And if I go to the accordion, in shadcn, let's compare it with shadcn. Okay. So if I go to the component and go to the accordion, so this is the shadcn accordion. But when I click on this, it has some fluid animation. I don't know if it calls fluid or not, but it had animations. Okay. So I click on these. It looks nice. This is the dialog. Let's see. Dialog looks same. This is a drop down. Let's see. Okay. So you can use it, but the select one, I think this one has the fluid animation. Yeah. So basically, when you hover over it, then you can see the animations a bit following your cursor a little bit. Click on these, you can see. So it has some like Apple vibe or Apple OS vibe in it. You can use it. It's super cool. So it's basically a section, but with cool animation, right? So this is one, and let's move on the last one we have, which I personally really like, which is called Transition.dev. So over here you can see how transition works. So it's not just you can say component library. It's not just component. You can get the CSS code and React code as well. It's not like visual component, but you can see the animation. If you click on these, zoom in, it looks like the number will pop up and the notification page pop up. Transition complete processing, toggle menu. If I click on this, it goes. I think the animation is lacking over here a little bit. If I click on this, it just stay here for some times and then gone. And this the tab and the shimmer text and the tooltip. And the wonderful thing, it has the skill. If you go to the skill, you can see the difference. So This is basically the transition that we use. So without transition, this how it looks. With transition, it looks nice. And the copy link, it just show you the copied text with the checkmark icon. But when I click on this, you can see it looks nice, right? So this is how I think you can use or update your website transition. So that's it, guys. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. Let me know which resources or component library you like most, and let me know which one you will use it in your next project. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Or see you in a better place. Bye bye.